We don't wake up hungover on Sunday mornings. We wake up ready to run. What's our motivation? The post-run snacks, of course.
Hangovers are so last season, and I'm just here for the ice bath in the competition.
A quick warm-up and right into the run. There's something about running that just sends you in a complete trance. Except Ashna, who decides to make it competitive and race me.
I thought we were chasing dopamine, not crawling after it.
Ashna doesn't understand pacing, nor does she intend to Google it. Now, Nox doesn't keep us dry post-run, because that's just when the DJ arrives. And just when we thought our hard work was being rewarded and it was time to party, we were presented with ice baths.
Oh God. It's a public ice bath. Who needs alcohol when you have this?
While we had several things scripted in the ice bath, I'd like you to see what actually happened.
Chill. Just enjoy. Trust me.
I'm feeling very cold.
Okay,
Can you just say the dialogue?
Okay,
so I can
say
get
yours
out?
and I'll say
I'm
mine.
done with my dialogue.
Ready?
Now, after freezing like popsicles, nothing sounds better than a warm sauna to feel room temperature again. And of course, we weren't leaving without getting a little flowy, because it's time to loosen up and let your inner animal take over. A sick end to a solid start.
And you know what we haven't missed? Alcohol. Whoever said staying sober is boring is just a clown.
So if you've made it to the end of the video, here's your sign. Grab your friend and chase real dopamine.